Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a fox leather bag. If you can see it from the brand called LXY. So definitely for this bag right here, it definitely gives you guys like a vintage design on here. But I'm going to take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what it looks right here. So definitely see the design of this backpack right here definitely looks pretty nice. You definitely have these two strap options right here. And if you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside part looks right here. So you definitely have a zipper compartment here, and you have one inside here as well. But definitely when you got the material on here, it feels pretty nice. But let's open up the zippers first. So here is the first one. So this one is definitely very spacious. It's probably enough for you guys to put like your passport, your phone inside right here. So let's say if I want to put my phone inside right here. It fits my phone perfectly, and there's still so much space right here, like that much. But I definitely love the way how they designed this bottom part here. It is magnetic. So that way when you guys close it up, it actually sticks on right there. So that way it actually makes it out easier for you guys to actually access it and open it if you guys need to. But when you guys open up this one right here, this one right here is definitely the main pocket. If you see inside right there, is very spacious. So you can see right here, we do have two separate pockets right here. And then we have a middle section right here. And if you guys open up this part right here, there's one more underneath it. So I'm assuming for this bag right here, you can definitely put like your iPads or anything else around that size. But definitely if you guys want to put like power banks or like pencils or pen or whatever, basically like smaller stuff, basically around like the size of an iPad, then you should be fine. And then when you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And if you guys want to close this back up, just go like that. And if you turn to the back part, this is basically what the back part looks right here. So you definitely have two straps right here for you guys to actually put it on. And for both of these straps right here, they are adjustable. And also if you see the back part here, we do have a zipper compartment. So that's like an anti-theft pocket. So if you guys have any valuables or whatever, you can definitely hide it inside right here. So that way if people steal stuff in the front, they can't take it from here because it's right behind your back. So if you guys open it up, it's definitely pretty spacious, but it's not like super big. It's definitely big enough for you guys to put like maybe like a power bank or like a cell phone inside right here, or even a passport. And then also for the top part here, you see we do have a little handle option. So if you guys want to actually carry it around, you definitely can. And if you see in the bottom part, this actually looks like in the bottom part right here. And also in the front part right here, if you see they do have the brand logo here as well, LXY. So for the backpack that we got right here, we do have the brown one. They do have this available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys want. But this is basically what the bottom looks like right here. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once we put it on, this is basically what it looks right here. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to actually adjust the strap right here, you definitely can. And also when you guys look at the inside right here, if you can see on the side right here, this part is actually adjustable. So if you guys want to open up this part right here, you can definitely do that on here. So that way it actually expands it and give you guys much more space. But that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to ask question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the part right here, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys are trying to look for a mini backpack that definitely has like that vintage design on here, that also have like that leather design on here, that would definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.